Yo, what's up everyone, it's Bloxman. So in today's video I will teach you how to make custom Bedwars maps on bloxdio. So let's begin. First of all, you need to get exactly a schematic file like this one. Download schematic file. It's Minecraft schematic, but we are still able to convert schematic files into bloxdim file. Okay, that one is schematics. This is what I really want. And now what am I gonna do is download that schematic file to downloads, and now I'm gonna close that. And by the way, if this video gets 100 likes, I will teach you how to convert Minecraft walls into schematics, and we will able to convert anything into bloxdim and use them in bloxdio. Now this website, open that, it will be in the description down below. Choose file, downloads, that one, open, and it will install automatically. Okay, we downloaded bloxdim file, and now we are gonna do make sandbox world to edit this map. Create name. This will be useless world. We are just gonna edit the world. Okay, creative, flat world, and create. Go to sky, and we should type //schematic load. Click on that window, and we downloaded that bloxdim file. Now we are gonna type paste. Okay, here. But if you see, these bread blocks were table blocks. Now we are gonna do open inventory and go all the way to down and see custom lobby block. Let's start with blue base right here. Now we are gonna make spawn blocks, wizard, trader, and spawner, coal spawner, I mean. Okay, place right here to make coal spawner for blue team, because it's blue base. And here we are gonna make blue team spawner. Here it's team player spawner, so if you die you will automatically spawn right here. Okay, place planks here. So I want wizard to be here, and I want trader to be here. If you like, you can do this, and make sure it's placed correctly, because it's looking into right here, and it should be true spawner, because we are making squads bedwars. Okay, for the bed you can just use this, or anyway. And one more thing, ores. It's not that important, but I like that. Grab some stones and messy stones. And we are done with blue base. But the most important thing, if you forgot to make blue spawner and load it in Bedwars map, it won't actually work. So don't forget to make spawners here. Okay, for moonstone generators here, and pick up them and place it all. Wait, no. Moonstone generator and diamond generator is so same. For here we are gonna make diamond generator because it's center and this is near to base. Let's go to green base, and now we will do exactly the same thing with like blue team, but we can add some difference. For green base, you should make green green coal generator and green spawner. Place trader here. Place wizard here. Okay. Now it's time for core ores, and now we are done with green team. And you don't need to replace beds, it will work correct. And also don't place two beds here, I think it won't work. Okay, we are done with red base 2. And now that terrifying thing, like what is bread blocks doing here? It should be Hebel block, but I don't know why. So let's try to fix that. We are gonna use replace command to fix this. Go to all the way to the corner of the map, like that. Can all go all the way to the down. // position 1, position 2, set stone. You don't need to make stone right here, so I just make that to be corner. Okay, home 1. I forgot. Okay, go to all other corner of the map. And go up like that, and position 2, and now / replace. I wanna replace bread blocks, or you can make anything here. You can place anything, but I want maple leaves or hables, but I think maple leaves will be so good. Maple leaves. Copy that because we will need that again. 10% down, 20, 13, 14, 15. It just takes 10 seconds for me because it's small map. For some reason it didn't work. The game will restart. And I forgot to save set home 2. Position 1, go to 1. Position 2. Okay, it's working, but it's still stuck in 18%. But you see, gold ores turn it into compressed and messy stone. We are gonna do the same thing, but let's do with coal ore. And here, the map is amazing right now. Wait. Oh, yes. It's turned it, the bread blocks turn it into map leaves. It's just amazing. Okay, I think we are done with the map. And after all of that, check that everything is correct. I'm talking about the spawners and team spawners. And here is blue coal spawner, blue team spawner, and just like that for each team. It's so important because it might not work if you don't check. Okay, I check all of this and it's true. No, nothing is incorrect. Okay, now if you forgot to save, you can just position 1, position 2, / copying 1 million blocks. Copy out blocks. Okay, now schematic save. Okay, now save as new schematic, or you can download them too. Now we need to save it because why not? Custom Bedwars. Save. Okay, we are saved now. If you need, you will save that map too. Okay, I'm done with that map. We can go Bedwars trios or squads because it has only 4 beds, 4 spawners. Okay, create. Make sure it's squads or trios. Okay, for the name, it's important now because it's real world name now. Tutorial. Cause map, make it shorter. I want to make it public. Description, not important for me, but you can do that too. Okay, custom schematic for map options. And you see we're here, custom Bedwars, create, and yeah, join tutorial. Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay. Moonstone generators here. Lose team spawner. You can't build here. Why? What? No. I don't know. Let's play it. Okay. Okay, I figured out why it's not working. Because you see, the bed is too near to the spawn block, I mean. Yo, Arthur. Arthur joined the server. Okay, I'm gonna say thanks for watching, guys. He says it's nice. Okay. Look.